Hey, Jacksonville, are you tired of looking at that cracked, stained, or just plain boring driveway? Did you know the first thing people see when they pull up to your house? What if I told you that upgrading your driveway could not only boost your home's curb appeal but actually increase its value? At Two Men Concrete, we see it happen every single day. We're not just pouring concrete, we're laying the foundation for a better first impression. Whether you're dreaming of a sleek, modern concrete driveway that's built to withstand the Florida sun for years, or you want a stunning paver design that will make every neighbor stop and stare, we are the team you can trust. Our craftsmanship is second to none, and we pride ourselves on getting the job done right the very first time. No shortcuts, no excuses, just quality work that speaks for itself. But we don't just stop at driveways. Think about your backyard. Is it living up to its full potential? Imagine hosting friends and family on a beautiful custom patio, gathering around a cozy fire pit on a cool evening, or having a fully functional outdoor living space that feels like a resort. We can make that happen. From elegant retaining walls that add depth and character to your landscape, to complete backyard transformations, we turn your outdoor living dreams into a stunning reality. We also specialize in new construction projects and commercial flat work, bringing the same level of dedication and precision to every job, big or small. Our reputation in the Jacksonville area is built on solid ground, literally. But don't just take my word for it. Hop online and read our reviews. See what your neighbors are saying about the quality and professionalism of Two Men Concrete. Ready to transform your property? It all starts with a simple, no-obligation conversation. Give us a call right now for a free detailed quote. Let us show you what's possible and why we're Jacksonville's most trusted crew for all things concrete. We're excited to work with you and bring your vision to life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more home transformation ideas. We'll see you on the next project.